Good morning, everybody. Longhorn Classic here. It is Sunday morning. We are at our 27-mile spot. We let the birds go here from here yesterday. Birds did pretty good. They will again, like yesterday. I don't know if you can see those flags right back there. They'll have a slight headwind. They had a slight headwind yesterday, but like I said, the birds did good. After today, we will go tomorrow. I think it's 36 miles. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then we'll proceed to go further. I think it's 50 miles. Yeah. Beautiful morning. I had the stats a little while ago. It's like 60, 65 degrees. Buoy says no wind, but with 9-mile-an-hour gusts, but that looks pretty sustained. We're hoping to get October 30th or 31st. We should get our 100-mile activation race in. We'd appreciate it if everybody could either use Zelle, Cash App, or send a check. If you're going to send a check, please do it early. We want to get the race series going as soon as possible. We don't like to hold the birds too long. In between, we will put plenty of classes on them if we have to. Keep them in shape, keep them honed in, and ready for the race series. We're looking to have an outstanding race series this year again. We're looking to keep the birds trained hard, well fed, healthy, to where we get some of the best return numbers. Actually, last year we got the best return numbers in the country as far as the race series. Whatever birds made it to the first race went to and completed the final race. So we're looking to do that again. Hoping to try to again be the best race in Texas, numbers wise, as far as returns. Other than that, I will let these birds go. You can watch them go out, and then I will get the camera and show the birds taking off. All right, here we go. There's the birds. Oh, there they go, already breaking up into two flocks. Anyway, they will have to deal with this headwind they did yesterday. Hopefully we'll have a lot of headwinds this year. There might be a tailwind race in there. That's one thing here. It's not always like a predominant wind. Anyway, there's the sun coming up over the school building, and there the birds go. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. Everybody have a great day. We will see you back at the loft. Hopefully they'll mill around a little bit so I could go and beat them home. Yesterday I was about 1 minute behind them. We'll see what we could do today. All right, we'll see everybody later. Thanks. Okay, there's the birds. They're heading home. Looking good. All right, just pulled up. Here's the first group. Some more. Let's see what else. There's a little group right there. Oh, there's a big group right there. All right, so it looks like they did good. Here's some more. All right, excellent day. We'll talk to you guys soon.